Tapping exercises on the very high strings. Well, what we have here is we have 19, then we have 15 right here, and 12. And so it's going to be tap, tap, pull off, and then hammer on the 12 and 15. So we're just moving that pattern to the next string, and then all we're doing is going up to the 17th here, and then we're going to do 13 and 10. Okay, so we're going to take it slow. Now that one's a little bit tough when you go up here, because you want to try to make sure that you're not ringing out this string right here, which is difficult to do when you're moving up. So you want to take it slow. And then when you're ready, you can speed it up. Extra tip, so when I'm trying to palm that string, see, hear the noise right there? So I'm trying to use my palm to lessen the noise on that string that we're not hitting, but it's really close. So you want to try to keep your palm as close as you can to that string so it doesn't ring out when you're doing the tapping. Alright, let me know if that was useful to you. If you want to tap for this, leave me a comment. And don't forget to give this a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe for more videos just like this.